Ano bitaw? Ano bitaw nasan? Tapos, pagkakatuwag siya na, kalimot siya. One day,
Hi, Carrie.
Sorry, my battery ran out.
Okay.
Hello, Miss. How are
Okay, how
you
are
today?
you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, I'm doing great. Okay. So, hi, Carrie. So, can you hear
Hello,
teacher? Okay. So, now our topic, Carrie. Okay. So, our topic is about visiting different places. Wait me for a while, ha?
Miss. What's wrong?
Okay, wait me, Carrie, ha? Just a minute. Okay, hi. Okay. So, Carrie, sorry, Carrie, ha? Because the internet of teacher is not good. Okay, that's why my camera is not good also. Okay, so I need to turn up my video because so that you can see me properly. Okay? Okay, so we
Okay.
have here. Okay. So visiting different places. Our topic for today, we're going to talk about visiting different places. Okay, we have here. So Carrie, in this have here the puzzle. Okay, we have the S puzzle. Look at question number 1. Okay, can you see the word grass? Number 1. Grass. Number 1, there is a word grass, right? Number 1, this
Yeah.
is a green and you can usually find it in the gardens. Cows eat it. We call it grass. How about number 2? Please write your answer in the chat box. Here, write your answer here. Okay, number 2, you read the questions and remember number 2, the word ends with letter S. What word that ends with letter S?
I don't listen.
Okay, no, you don't need to listen. Look at number 2. You can walk up this because they're lower than mountains. What is this? This is? Oh, you write the answer. It ends with letter S. What is this? It's like it's lower than a mountains. What is this? What is lower than a mountains?
Hills?
Okay, you write your answer here. You write your answer here. Write in the chat box.
What do I do know?
Okay, you write here in number 2. Number 2, your answer is, what is your answer for number 2? Hills, right?
Yeah, hills.
Okay, number 3, you write in the chat box. Look at picture.
Number 3 is uh
Okay, number 3, you find this on farms and some farmers grow vegetables in them. What is this?
um failed.
Okay, number 2, you write your answer in the chat box, please.
Number 3 failed. Number 4 is Shane. Baba.
Okay, you write your answer. Number 3, what is the answer? Number 2 is heels. Number 3 is
Number
end with
3 is
letter S.
failed.
It is?
Failed.
Okay, again, what is this? Fields. Okay, can you write your answer? Write your answer.
Okay. I'm finished.
Okay. Okay, number 3 is, let me see, hills. Very good. 3. 3 is, you find these on the farms and some farmers grow vegetables in them. What's this? Number 3, it's fields. Okay, number 3 is fields. Okay. Next, number 4. What's number? Start with letter S. This is usually yellow. It's under your feet when you walk on the beach. What is this? And let's start with letter S, number 4. It's sand. Okay, sand. 5. People live and work in these places. Hey, they're like towns but smaller. This is villages. Okay, it's not island. Number is 6. Oh, number 6. You see this in all kinds of plants. Number 6, look at number 6. They sometimes fall off trees. It is leaves. Okay, it's leaves. Next, another is, okay, you can find thousands of tall trees in this place. It's a, what is this? It's a forest. Very good. You have forest answer. And 8, there is a water all around this place, so you need a boat to get it. It is
Iceland.
island. It's not Iceland, ha? It's island. Okay, 9. S, there is a water all around this place, so you need a boat to get it. It's shells. Oh, very good. And then 10, when it rains, there is a gray and has a lot of clouds in it. It is sky. Okay, very good. You have sky. Wow, very good. Okay, very good, Kari. Okay, number 11 is the desert. Okay, the large area of land that has very little water. It's the desert. Okay. Now, okay, listening part 5. Okay, please look at the picture and answer the questions. Okay? Okay, look at this one. Sorry. Okay, please look at the pictures and answer the questions. Number 1. These boys are on holiday. Where are they? Look at that. Where are the boys?
This boy goes camping.
Okay, they are in the, where are they? They are in the, they are having pick. They're having
They are in the forest.
very good. They are in the forest, teacher, and they are actually in the forest. What are the boys doing?
Uh, Son is eating.
Okay, they are eating. What
Yeah.
they're eating? They're eating sandwich. Okay. Now, what kind of animal can you see on the nearest hill?
Crab.
Okay. So what kind of animals that you can see in the nearest hill? This one, this one. This is a
Uh, Goat.
Okay. So, very good. There is a goat. One goat is at the top of the hill. Where is the other one?
Uh,
Okay, where is the other goat?
the goat is down.
Okay, the goat is
Down.
in the mountain. It's in the hill, but other one it's just near here in the ground. Okay, very good, right? Can you see how many goat can you see?
Two goat.
Okay, two. Now, lesson to this one. Look at this, Kari. Lesson, color, and write. Okay, do you know how to color or no? Okay, please listen and color.
11B. Visiting different places. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
Hi, Charlie. Do you like this picture?
It's quite funny. Can I color it?
Of course. What would you like to color first?
Well, can you see the boy with the parrot on his shoulder?
Yes.
I'd like to color his backpack. There! It's green now.
Can you see the green backpack? This is an example. Now you listen and color and write. 1.
What else can I color?
What about one of the animals?
Which one?
The goat at the bottom of the waterfall.
Okay. Is the water in that stream deep?
I don't know. Use the color brown for that one, please.
Sure.
2.
What can I do next?
Can you see the boys' baseball caps?
Yes. Can I color the one that the boy on the right is wearing?
Good idea.
How about blue? Is that all right?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
3.
Now I'd like you to write something.
Okay. On the board? Under the cloud?
Yes.
Can I call that place Sky Hill?
We need a longer word than that. I'd like to choose the name White Hill instead.
It isn't its color, but okay.
4.
What would you prefer to color next?
The empty plate, I think.
Okay. Use purple, please. No, actually, orange is a better color for that.
All right. No problem.
Great.
5.
And let's write another word now.
Where?
On the flat box by the sandwiches.
Okay. Is it something you can eat? I can see the word pie on it.
Good guessing. Put the word kiwi above that.
Right. Does that taste good?
It's delicious. And this picture looks great now. Well done.
Thanks.
Okay, so do you have the answer? Okay?
Do I choose the color myself or
Yeah.
listen?
Okay.
and
Now
then
you have
color?
to listen to the color particularly. This is listening. So please listen. What color is the one that you hear? Okay? One more.
11b. Visiting different places. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
Hi, Charlie. Do you like this picture?
It's quite funny. Can I color it?
Of course. What would you like to color first?
Well, can you see the boy with the parrot on his shoulder?
Yes.
I'd like to color his backpack. There! It's green now.
Can you see the green backpack? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and write. 1.
What else can I color?
What about one of the animals?
Which one?
The goat at the bottom of the waterfall.
Okay. Is the water in that stream deep?
I don't know. Use the color brown for that one, please.
Sure.
2.
What can I do next?
Can you see the boys' baseball caps?
Yes. Can I color the one that the boy on the right is wearing?
Good idea.
How about blue? Is that all right?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
3.
Now I'd like you to write something.
Okay. On the board? Under the cloud?
Yes.
Can I call that place Sky Hill?
We need a longer word than that. I'd like to choose the name White Hill instead.
It isn't its color, but okay.
4.
What would you prefer to color next?
The empty plate, I think.
Okay. Use purple, please. No, actually, orange is a better color for that.
All right. No problem.
Great.
5.
And let's write another word now.
Where?
On the flat box by the sandwiches.
Okay. Is it something you can eat? I can see the word pie on it.
Good guessing. Put the word kiwi above that.
Right. Does that taste good?
It's delicious. And this picture looks great now. Well done.
Thanks.
I write no.
Okay, here, look at okay, you find this hard in coloring? Oh, it's okay. Let's move on. So we have here, look at these questions. Okay, look at the girl. Okay, where is she? Where do you think the girl is?
Uh, She is in the desert.
Huh? She is in the desert. Very good. What can you see, Kari? What can you see behind her or behind the girl? What can you see?
Camel.
Okay, it's a camel. Okay. Now, you can see a camel and animals. Okay. How many camels are there? How many camels are there?
Two children.
Two. There are two camels. Very good. Okay. Now, one camel is standing next to the girl. Then, what the other camel is doing?
Uh, that camel is eating.
Okay. Eating? Okay. One camel is standing and the other camel is drinking. Okay, look at this one. Okay, so now let us try to match. What is Alice saying to her friend? So this is Alice. Can you see the name of the girl is Alice? So Alice is talking to her friend. Okay, now please choose the best answer. Please choose the best answer. Okay, look here. You write the letter of your choice. Okay. Hello Alice, how are you? Is everything okay? The answer is letter B. We're having a wonderful time. Thanks. Okay. Look at the choices is A, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay. Write the letter only. Okay.
Uh, I write now.
Yeah, you can write now.
Okay. I'm finished.
Okay. Where's the answer? Wait, Victoria. Huh? Okay, number one. Let me see. Easy. Oh, very smart, Carrie. Let me see. Oh, wow, very smart girl. Okay, let us read. I am Dawn and you will be Alice. Okay, are you ready? Ready? I am
Okay.
Dawn and you are Alice. Hello, Alice. How are you? Is everything okay?
We're having a one.
Okay. Are you camping next to the lake again? Letter G.
That's right. This one is Yellow Hill Desert.
Okay. At
At
actually. Okay, now who else is there with you? Who else is there with you?
my parents, but there are uh,
Are there any wild animals? Are there any wild animals?
I've seen a
Letter H, please read letter H.
I don't know how to read.
I've seen a crocodile in a river near here. Again, that's I've seen. I've seen. Okay, next. Where do you sleep at night? Letter E.
Uh, we got tents that have special camping beds inside them.
What about the weather?
It ranges from cold at night to very hot in the day.
Very good. It changes from cold at night to very hot in the day. Okay, so we have here. So we have here the word rucksack, okay, and backpack. We use the word backpack when we are talking American English. Remember that, huh? When we use rucksack, if we are using British English, that is rucksack. Okay? Okay, what do you bring at school in your backpack? Okay, what do you bring at school in your backpack?
Um, it's a pencil case, pen, uh,
Pencil case, what else?
eraser, pencil,
Pencil,
um, and 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 even toys.
okay, and even toys. You can put the backpack some toys. Okay, so here. Now look at this. Do you know who's this bag? Do you know who's this bag?
Uh, uh,
Okay, so the green bag and the red bag.
those
Okay,
two.
okay, so the green bag and the red bag. Okay, so there are two. Okay, look at the words in the box and choose which things you put in the rucksack. Okay, so which do you think? Okay, look at the word. Here we have words here. Many words. What do you think you will gonna put in each rucksack? Okay. This one in the green. What you will gonna put in the green? What you will gonna put in the red? Choose three.
Uh,
Okay, choose four.
uh, What do I do now?
Okay, so you have to put, okay, Carrie, please, Carrie, can you hear teacher? Carrie, the Zoom will end. Please join again, ha? Please join again. Sorry.